Hey there, job seekers looking to elevate your career to new heights. Today, I'm excited to introduce you to Mirakama Sendirian Berhad, or as I like to call it, MKSB, where your career dreams can become a reality. MKSB specializes in providing top-notch services in two key areas: government agency coordination and national training provider. Let's dive into what makes them stand out. First up, government agency coordination. Navigating government certification processes can be daunting, but MKSB has got your back. Whether you're in aviation or other industries, they offer certification assistance to make the process smooth and stress-free. And that's not all. If you're looking to advance your career or find new opportunities, their expertise will guide you every step of the way. Now, onto national training provider. MKSB offers a specialized diploma in in-flight safety and hospitality. If you're an experienced flight crew member, this program is designed to formalize your qualifications, helping you become a government-appointed assessor or certified trainer. Imagine turning your experience into a prestigious credential. But wait, there's more. For those who have unfortunately lost their jobs and are PERCASO contributors, MKSB offers targeted training programs. Through EIS PERCASO training programs, you can upskill and claim training insurance, enhancing your employability and setting you up for success. MKSB is all about professional development and regulatory compliance, ensuring you have the tools and credentials to progress in your career. Their personalized and strategic approach makes them a trusted partner in your professional journey. So, what are you waiting for? Elevate your career today with MKSB. Visit their website and take the first step towards a brighter future. Remember, your dream job is just a click away. Thanks for watching, and until next time, keep striving for success.